If you are in Dharamshala and looking for top-notch interior designers, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is the name you can trust. As one of the leading interior design firms in Dharamshala, SCON Design Ind has been providing exceptional design solutions to clients for many years. SCON Design Ind takes a collaborative approach to every project, working closely with clients to understand their vision and goals. Whether it's a residential or commercial space, their interior designers in Dharamshala strive to bring creativity, innovation, and efficiency to every design. With a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the latest design trends, they can transform any space into a masterpiece. What sets SCON Design Ind apart from other interior design firms in Dharamshala is their commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. They believe that every client deserves a space that not only looks stunning but also functions seamlessly. By combining aesthetics with functionality, their interior designers create spaces that are not only visually appealing but also practical and comfortable. SCON Design Ind offers a wide range of services, including space planning, furniture selection, lighting design, color consultation, and more. They use the latest technology and tools to create realistic 3D renderings, allowing clients to visualize their dream space before it is brought to life. With a focus on delivering exceptional results within the given budget and timeline, SCON Design Ind has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable interior design firms in Dharamshala. So, if you are looking for professional interior designers in Dharamshala who can bring your vision to life, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and dedication, they can transform any space into a stunning masterpiece that reflects your style and personality. Contact SCON Design Ind today to discuss your project requirements and turn your dream into reality. If you are looking for professional interior designers in Dharamshala, look no further than SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With years of experience in the field, SCON Design India has established itself as one of the leading interior design firms in the region. Their team of skilled designers and architects are dedicated to creating unique and functional spaces that meet the needs and preferences of their clients. At SCON Design India, they understand the importance of a well-designed space in enhancing the overall ambience and functionality of a building. Whether it is a residential, commercial, or hospitality project, their team works closely with clients to understand their vision and translate it into reality. They take into consideration factors such as the client's lifestyle, budget, and timeline to deliver exceptional results. With their expertise in space planning, color schemes, furniture selection, lighting design, and more, SCON Design India ensures that every aspect of the interior